Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I am working in the bathroom of the gigantic dollhouse. But before I placed the shower in there and the towel area, I wanted to share it with you. And I wanted to share what I'm using and what I did. So here we have an organizer. I bought this organizer at the Dollar Tree and it was in the cosmetics section. I believe you might be able to use it for supplies like pens, but I believe it was more for cosmetics because it was in that area. So it has 3 compartments, but it's all enclosed. So what I did was, since it is so transparent, you can't really tell that you can't move from one area into the other. So pretend that this is real. Because it's clear, you can't tell that you can't cross from here to here. So what I did was I added a deodorant, a men's deodorant cap to this area here. And notice how my finger is not where that is, so you couldn't tell. It's on this side. You see what I'm saying? So you can't tell because it's so transparent. So I also added over here a clear hook, and that serves as the shower head. Underneath, there's a little adhesive rectangle that is holding a little black plastic part. That little piece would hold soap. So that was my idea for a soap holder. Then back there are some adhesive tiles. Those are from the Dollar Tree. So this is Dollar Tree, that's Dollar Tree. The towel area is Dollar Tree. This is supposed to be a sticky note holder. So I am using it in this position. I placed some little towels there. They are from baby cloths. I cut out some strips, I folded them, and I made a whole stack of towels. Here I have another men's deodorant cap because I like the silver, being that I'm making all this white, clear. I like that it has some gray in there. Then on the floor, as you can see, there's like a shiny floor. That's actually one of those padded envelopes, and I also bought that at the Dollar Tree. They had gold ones and they had silver ones, so this silver was best for this shower and towel area. Let's see what else. Down there inside the shower, you can see there's a little drainage piece. That was just a piece of cardboard with a little hole in it. So I figured, you know what? That's gonna be the drainage. And a little tile in here, because of course, if someone is in the shower, they're coming out, they step onto it and they come out. So in real life, this would probably be functional, but this is actually for a dollhouse. So I think that this will be it. This is the shower idea, towel area idea, and the flooring for the shower. So stay tuned for the finished bathroom in the gigantic dollhouse, and thank you so much for watching.